Good morning, everybody. Thank you for giving an wonderful opportunity. Our project name is Biometric Attendance System using a iris recognition. My name is S. Deepika. My team member Saraswati under the vendor of K. Vaideki ma'am. Vaideki, Assistant Professor, Computer Science Engineering. Problem statement. In entire global, any educational organization is concentrated in relation to attendance of an individual because this is an effective on their overall performance. Lack of time in the lecture time. Method of calling a student's name, roll number or calling a person which does not store in database in entire lecture. Our idea to eliminate this problem, one of the solution is biometric based attendance system that can be automatically capture a student's attendance by recognizing this iris. Iris recognition is regarded as the one of the most reliable, accurate and efficient biometric identification system due to the inner characteristics of iris such as uniqueness, immobility and time invariance. Iris recognition is the process of recognizing a person by analyzing the random pattern of the iris. Iris scan biometric students that use mathematical pattern recognition technique on video image of the irises of an individual eyes whose complex random patterns are unique and can be seen from some distance. The iris is the area of the eye where it is pigmented or colored circle, usually brown or blue. Iris recognition system use a small high quality cameras to capture a black and white high resolution photography of the iris. This technology is considered as one of the fastest, safest, and most accurate non-invariable biometric technology. Iris recognition is considered more secure compared to the fingerprint and other biometric technologies. This process takes only 1 to 2 seconds and provides the detail of the iris that are mapped, recorded, and stored for future matching verification. Eyes are highly protected part of the body and does not go through much changes over the complete lifespan and good for long-term biometric recognition. An iris system is a function of most secure identification. The algorithm and flowcharts are explained by my teammate.
Here, this biometric attendance system using iris recognition, the algorithm and flowchart under the Lieber-Massic. The Lieber-Massic algorithm using a biometric device, it provides an automatic identification. It is based on unique features or characteristics possessed by the individuals. Now the workers involved developing an open source, the iris recognition system in order to verify both the uniqueness of the human irises and also performance as a biometric. Now for determining the recognition performance of the system are two databases of digits. Grayscale images were used. The flowchart are explained the human iris image is an input device. While pre-processing the image which are already stored in the data storage and using the comparison and then result will be found. We are using the components iris scanner. It is a biometric device now for real-time identification process with high performance and greater accuracy. It is not only restricted to the security concern but also applicable in various sectors. Then iris recognition or biometric iris recognition. Now by eliminating the irises with invisible infrared light to pick up the unique patterns that are not visible to the naked eyes. Iris scanner detect and exclude eyelashes, eyelids and specular reflection the block part of the irises. Then iris recognition system consists of an automatic segmentation. This system is based on off transmission and is able to localize circular iris, pupil lesion, occluding eyelashes and reflections. Then iris recognition system is shown to be reliable also accurate the biometric technology. Then radius calculation. It is remove the eyelashes and eyelids. It using the polar image is an 4 series. Then the authentication using the purpose of verification. Here we are using iris recognition is an automated method of biometric identification that uses mathematical pattern recognition techniques. And also its uses for video image of one or both irises of an individual whose complex pattern are unique stable and then it's in some distance. Now the person entering in the room, there will be fixed iris scanner device. Then iris recognition system consists of an automatic segmentation. The system is based on half transmission and is able to localize circular irises, pupil region, including the eyelids, eyelids and inflation. Then iris recognition is shown to be reliable. It also accurate biometric technology.